Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Shock Surplus. Welcome to our Old Man Emu Nitrocharger kits. We're just going to explain a little bit about all of the available options here because it might be a little bit much. So what we've got here is Old Man Emu's Nitrocharger front struts. This is a compressed version, how you're going to receive it out of the box. All front struts come with the coil spring collar that sits on the collar here, and you're welcome to use your factory coil springs or choose one of the many aftermarket springs that we have between Bilstein, Eibach, or Old Man Emu springs. The description of those springs are down below, and there's a lot of detail and a lot of different considerations on how to choose a spring there. So if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@shocksurplus.com. One of the other major values and benefits that we bring to a lot of our customers is the complete single unit assembly of the struts. So we take the Old Man Emu Nitrocharger front struts, we take the selected coil spring, whether it's Old Man Emu springs. This is specifically a 2887 spring. And then we put brand new KYB top mounts on the top of the coilover. So now you have a full coilover ready for installation, and you've saved anywhere between $200 and $400 on a professional mechanic labor. The install of this unit is fairly straightforward, and we will link you a YouTube video on our own installation instructions that we have available. So lots of different options. We can help you decide on which spring might be best for your specific setup. Once again, reach out to our support. We would definitely love to help. Other options in this kit range from anywhere between 2 and 4 different upper control arm options. You've got the very famous SPC upper control arm that has a lot of camber adjustment built in. Great budget option, usually around $600 for the pair. And then you've got sometimes a Uniball Upper Arm. These are very much a performance oriented arm. They have to be, constructed when you receive them in the box. These also require a little bit more maintenance. You've got 2 different versions of Icon Delta joints. This is a tubular version, and this is the billet race version. Naturally, the billet race version is the highest end race product, nearly indestructible, but also about $1,300 for the pair, whereas the tubular option is between $700 and $800. So a wide range of upper control arm options, a wide range of spring options. Do your due diligence there. There's pros and cons of all of it, depending on your budget, your intended use. Reach out to support, and we would love to help out in that decision-making process. Lastly, but not least, are kind of your rear lift options. One of our favorite rear lift options right now for a lot of Toyota platforms is Icon's progressive add-a-leaf. So instead of a single really stiff leaf spring to add on to your factory leafs, they use 3 different leafs, and this provides a little bit more road comfort and ride comfort when loading the vehicle down or just in everyday kind of driving. Usually provides about an inch and a half on most Toyota models. Similar for a lot of add-a-leaf systems. The other more budget-friendly way to achieve rear lift height is through a lift block. This is a 1-inch one specifically, but there are 1.5 inch, 2 inch, all the way up to about 4 inches of lift. Both the add-a-leafs and the lift blocks come with brand new U-bolts and associated hardware. Everything here is going to come with all the hardware you need to make the installation happen on your vehicle without hunting down additional components. So we built these packages to be complete and ready to install for you, the customer. If you have any questions, we would definitely love to help. I know it's a lot of options, but our team is very geared towards this stuff and very knowledgeable on how to make the right selection on springs, arms, how much of this is actually necessary for your ride. Hit us up at support@shocksurplus.com or message us on any of the social channels out there, and we would love to help. Thanks so much for coming by.